So, welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily find your clips on Twitch, like where are they saved. So what you want to do is go right click on your profile picture, then go under the channel, you will see video producer, and now on the videos you will have it here, the clips, and you'll find all the clips here. What you can do is to get it by views. So for example, I got this which got 23,000 views, this one got 17,000, and then you get also clips of your channel if someone created it for you of your channel. So that's kind of it, and you can clip as much as you want, honestly. And it's like, I really like what you can do, that you can clip highlights from streams. I think it's a great platform and also great usage of application for Twitch. And that's kind of it. Thank you everybody very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll really thank for that. And yeah, that's kind of it. See ya.